Hello everyone, my name is Chris McKendry. I'm going to be answering question 6a from chapter 52. This question is going to discuss using the scatter plot to display variable changes, and specifically how can we use the bubble chart to summarize the variations of these three variables. So first we're going to highlight the data and we're going to insert scatter plot bubble chart. I'll bring this up a little bit. So if you see the chart here, we have different bubbles. We're going to start with the bigger bubbles. The bigger bubbles are going to be the variance to budget. So you see you have 3.5 right here. You have negative 4.3, negative 3. You have half, and then you have 15% for Brazil. And then we have the smaller dots, which represent the year-to-year trend. So they're going to be representing the year-to-year trend for each country. And then you also have the market size, which is on the x-axis.